Hi everyone. This is just a quick video showcasing how the demo of the Confluent Kafka and Zilliz Cloud demo works. This integration pretty much just goes over HackerNews and parses all the recently posted posts and allows you to do a simple RAG retrieval across all those posts. So this is kind of what the UI looks like. As you can see at the bottom, HackerNews stories are feeding in. This is just reading directly from a Kafka channel just to see what's currently being inserted and indexing. On the right, you can kind of see what's going on in the mini cluster. That's what's being read, what's being indexed, what's being inserted, all of that. And over here, I can ask a question. The first question is a little bit slow, just as it's filling out most of the data. So does compression have any cool use cases? And we should, in a moment, see a response. And this response is a recent post on Hacker News about how you can use gzip to perform classification on the mints dataset. I post a few other quick questions to kind of showcase how this works. Again, on the right, you can see all the data going in and which kind of producer consumer node is doing what. And still on the bottom, you can see the ingestion that's happening. These are all the top 500 most recent posts. The top 500 are first checked over to see if they already exist in the database. If they do, we don't want to reinsert them. There's no real way of doing pagination across the API for Hacker News. But yeah, here we can also see for one of the questions, it references where it pulled out the answer. And we can take a look on Hacker News and see the article that was used. So far, this demo only looks at the self post or the article. And here we have a quick little diagram to show what's going on within this demo. So we begin by parsing Hacker News. This gets sent through a Confluent channel over to the embedder, which takes the post and embeds the data within it. This embedded data then gets sent to an insert node that inserts it into Zilliz, which is our vector database that's used for the searches and retrieval. So on the other end of this, we have our user questions and responses. And this first begins by having a client that's behind the scenes in the website, sending the question through the Confluent channel topics to the embedder, uses the same embedder to embed the question, and then we search for the most relevant documents from the search node. And the search of Zilliz gets your top 5 documents, and those get sent back to the LLM. The LLM consumes the nodes and then crafts an answer. And with that answer, we can send the response to the user. This is the summary diagram of how Confluent and Zilliz Cloud work together.